welcome to another video here in Tunisia. Today I'm in Monastir. You see all the boats and whatnot behind me, summertime as usual, and we're going to go to an island, Kuriat, I think its name. I'll put the name up here. So we're going to go on one of those fake pirate boats and head out to the island. Do some swimming and all the summer stuff, so it should be good. Alright, let's go. So this is the boat behind us, the Sultan II, that we're going to use to go out to the island. I'm here with some members of the group. What's your name?
Mariam.
Osaima?
No.
Alright, and of course we have Bilal. Alright, so where are we today?
We are going to the island. This island is in Monastir. The name of the island is Kuriat. We are in the boat of Sultan. The name of the boat is Sultan.
Sultan, yes.
It's a good trip with your our friends.
Yes, so it should be a good day, right?
Yes.
Excellent. So we've reached the island and we're getting ready to get off of this boat. From what I'm seeing, we might be going on to a smaller boat and then going on, so we'll see. Here we are on the island. It's a very small island just in the middle of the not in the middle, but you know, close to Tunisia on the Mediterranean. We're here on the beach. Our group has these chairs and whatnot here, so we're going to relax for the day. Now the water is not dirty, you know, that's seaweed because of global warming. You know, there's a lot of seaweed coming up on the shore. So once you get over this little part here, the water is nice and blue and clear. Just came back from swimming. It was really good. The water is so shallow, going so far out. Really nice clear water. And we're getting lunch. Really good. So yeah, we're going to eat and then head back into the water. We had a pretty good lunch and now we're going to take a little walk around the island. Basically from where I'm standing, I could see almost the entire island. All around I could see almost ocean, so it is extremely small. It's a really nice place to be, and we should always take time to realize where we are. Just on a little dot in the Mediterranean. Alright, we had a lot of good fun here. We're packing up, getting ready to head back on the small boat to head out to the bigger boat. Alright, we're back on the pirate boat, the Sultan II. See there? But look at that water. Amazing, huh? Alright, so everybody's coming in. They have to make a few trips back and forth, so we're just chilling. And then we'll take the boat right back to Monastir. And I'm back on the dock. of the boat. Okay, we stopped in Monastir and we're taking in the different sites. Behind me you'll see the old fort, and there is this massive courtyard. It's really nice, and there is a mosque. I think it's a mosque way down in the center there. It is magnificent. The old president, the original president, Bourguiba, who got Tunis independent from France, and I think he was from this area, and it is very developed. Yeah, this is quite interesting. It's quite impressive, I would say. Heading back to Tunis. Everyone is pretty tired, but it was a pretty good day. So we're going to get in the bus and head back to Tunis. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and all of those good things, and I'll see you guys in the next one.